I got a mag somewhere on the field. It's black, which sucks.
This fell too?
Yeah. Well, because I had it in my pocket, my dump pouch, and it's somewhere on the field now.
Yeah, I left the mag.
I'll look for it later.
Alcohol wipe.
No, I got it.
Alright.
Got shot at the BBs, can use a med kit on it. It's real war. So this game is, it's called Captains. I think I'm gonna have them change it to Oh Captain, My Captain, because that makes sense. We have one captain, he has a flag on him, and we have to protect him. He can revive us. So that's how our side works. Their side can also revive, but the objective is to kill the other side's captain and then take the flag off of him. So we actually have to be like literally danger close. So.
Something I didn't mention was I was playing more passively, so I was more of a support role, and I was just calling enemies and keeping an eye out and sitting towards the side to kind of keep an eye on my friendlies and also my captain.
Two moving down the center of the field. Two of them. Hey, buddy in front of me. Captain's on the right side! Their captain's on the right side! Their captain's on the right side! 2, 3, and captain! No, to your left, but yeah, on the right side.
So what just happened was I saw two people,
Captain's
the camera
on the
doesn't
right
pick it
side
up
of the
very well, but I
tires
saw
in the
two
center of the
people
field.
pushing up. One of them was the captain, one was another guy. I shot the other guy as he was getting up to the position, and he's dead there, so the captain has to revive him,
Forward
so
of
he's
the blue
stuck there.
truck, there's tires. That's where their captain is. They're at the tires in the center of the field. There's a wall of tires. They have 4 there, 4 around there. Four all together behind the tires. Captain, can you come to me? You can see more of the field here. No, right here. Come to here, you can see everything on the left side and you can see the center of the field. I'm gonna go to the right side, so you have to replace me. Okay. You're good. Okay, so if you look over the right side, straight this way, there's a wall of tires about 3-4 tires tall. That's where their captain is. He's right behind that. So you can watch that, and they like to peek up and shoot our guy on the right. So I'm gonna bait them out on the right side, you take him out. Later.
It was at this moment I realized that another smoke had been thrown, this time by Joe, the other ref who was there today. Joe's a good guy, I like him a lot, but it made it really difficult to see where I was supposed to be looking at. That's why I figured I had to push up a lot more in order to get right under their skin.
I see 2 dead! 2 dead!
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
The tires are dead! I don't know where Captain is! I don't know where Captain is! Tires is dead!
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
You're probably wondering, where's the captain? He's right here. We passed him.
You came over the top?
Yeah, I just want to top of the tire, start laying out some full auto, and I got it.
Yeah, we had a guy watching the top full time, so that's unfortunate. That's bad timing.
No, that was a good play.
Where the hell's my team? Blue team. Where the hell's blue team? Am I stupid? Hello?
Oh my god. You gotta too far back.
You should be like right here.
Thank you for tuning in to part 2 of my day at CRZ. I had a great time, as I've said already. The staff is great. The people are mostly great. I always have a great time there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Really want to put out some more videos where I'm voicing over. I hate doing voiceovers, but I think for the culture, in order for you guys to understand what's going on better, I think it's good for you all. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you had a great time. Bye.